Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Let's go! You're cooking with Nana, a new chef. Quickie meals and recipes, a true chef. Leave a comment, subscribe, and hit the like. Welcome to a real food channel with real insight. Tell a friend and tell a friend, and whoever left. You're cooking with Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a breakfast English muffin sandwich. The ingredients that we're going to need today are English muffins, eggs, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, sliced yellow cheese, and also I'm using hot Italian sausage patties, but you can use the sausage of your choice. So to a frying pan over medium heat, I added my olive oil. I'm only making 2 sandwiches, so I'll be using 2 of these patties. And we're just going to go ahead and put our sausage in. Okay guys, so another pan while our sausages are cooking over medium heat. I'm going to spray our pan with non-stick cooking spray. I also have an egg ring. I'm going to spray that also. Okay guys, all I did was crack the egg in it, and we're just going to break the yolk. Now let that cook up. We're going to put a lid over top. Okay guys, after the sausages are done cooking, all you do is put a slice of cheese on top and let it melt. Okay guys, now that our eggs and sausage are done, we're going to go ahead and toast our English muffins. Okay guys, now that the English muffins are toasted, we can go ahead and assemble them. You just want to put your sausage on the bottom. Your egg on top. And guys, you can add jam, butter, whatever you would like to it. Or you can also just keep them plain like this. Okay guys, so here we have it, our breakfast English muffin sandwich. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.